We climbed a mountain. I picked wildflowers.
We climbed a mountain.
We climbed a mountain.
Wildflowers and put them in
I
her
picked
hair.
wildflowers.
We climbed a mountain.
We climbed a mountain. I picked wildflowers.
We climbed a mountain.
We climbed a mountain. I picked wildflowers. Why do people climb mountains? Is it just to reach the top and see the view? Well, I'll tell you something.
Every rock and every river, every soar and every splinter.
In the summer, in the winter, when it's warm and when we shiver,
When our feet are full of blisters, when it's sweet and when it's bitter, I'd climb every mountain with you.